Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to go private on X. So first of all, let's open X application on your device, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you want to scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections, and you want to go specifically to section that's called privacy and safety. Now from here, let's go to audience and tagging section. And at the very top of your page you should see this option that says protect your posts. So that basically means to make your profile private. So enable it. As you can see, I have already done that. And after this, when you make your account private, your current followers will be able to see your posts. They can still do that, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they will have to send you a follower request that you must manually approve or decline. So let me show you how to find this page. Let me go back, and you want to tap your profile picture to enter this menu. And as you can see, this menu has this dedicated page that says that it's called follower requests, and from here you can manually approve or decline new followers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.